Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Novel AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in novelai.net and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Novel AI website. Now first of all, click on the login button at the top right corner and then use your email address and your password to log into your account. Now, after logging into your account, you will be taken into the dashboard. Now, from your dashboard, if you wish to delete your account, click on the expand button at the top left corner and then click on the gear icon. Now, from the gear icon, which is the settings page, you have various different options. Click on the account option at the left side and now you will see the delete account section. Click on the request button at the right side as there is no straightforward and immediate process of deleting your account, and this will take some time. After clicking on the request button, you will be asked to confirm your request. So go ahead and type in your email address that you use to log into your account and click on the send deletion confirmation email. After you click on this, an email will be sent to the support team for Novel AI Beta, letting them know that an account with this email address that you just mentioned within the box wants their account to be deleted. So after sending your confirmation email, you will need to wait for a few days until you receive a final confirmation from Novel AI team about your account deletion status. So just wait for the email and follow the final instructions and your account will be deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Novel AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.